YouTube? Welcome to the shop. I got another Hacker Boxes to unbox. Can't wait. Love this time of the month. Let's get to it. Hate to admit it, I'm getting kind of behind on these things a little bit, but still lots of fun. Oh, nice. This looks interesting. Wonder what they have in store for us tonight. Looks like locks. That's interesting. That's cool. Oh, nice case. Yeah, practice lock picking. That's neat. I like that case. RFID. Use my scissors. Pretty sure that's what that is. Oh yeah, definitely. Nice. Just like the Arduino kit. That'll be interesting. Says me. Uno R3. Nice. This is a big box this month. Oh, okay. It looks like, yeah, reed switch. Nice. Photoresistor. Nice, okay, cool. All kinds of stuff. It looks like alarms. Some light lock picking. Looks like a laser, but I can't tell. I'm pretty sure that's what that is. Yeah, I'm pretty sure that's it. And then there's the second one, so yeah. RI HW483. So yeah, trip beams. And then PIR. Gotta have one of those. Oh, this is a good haul this month. There's a lot of stuff here. What is this? This is going to be a really fun one. Ah, mine's bent. Damn it. Oh well. Photoresistor. Another USB cord. And of course, what I thought we'd have a cheap lock picking kit. Nice. Probably like 23 thousandths maybe. These are definitely Chinese. I don't know if anyone's interested or not, but I might if I get some feedback. There's, you know, when you first get lock picks, they're not actually set up to start lock picking. There's a way you have to trying to think of the word. You basically have to polish them in a certain way because they won't rake the proper way. They just stick to the pins. It's actually quite simple, and there's a simple technique to it that makes it work quite well. So I don't know, let me know, and I'll put a video together to show you how to polish up lock picks so they'll pick easy. It's like I said, when you first get them, they have sharp edges and stuff, and they do not rake well. They do not rake well. And we got some jumpers. Tool, yes. Been their website quite often. Tool, the Open Organization of Lock Pickers. Oh, I like this. Check this out. They got the card this month is basically about lock picking, obviously. Nice. Well, that's it. This is a pretty neat box. I'm pretty excited about this one. I can't wait to dig into this. Also on the lock picking, on the lock picks, if you are actually into or interested in, you know, getting some really nice picks, because these are not these, you know, I'm not, you know, knocking on hacker boxes. They can only, you know, get to a certain price point. But if you want some really good lock picks, Ken Peterson and Peterson Locksmithing, they have some really nice lock picks, and Sparrow from Canada, those are really nice. All right, that's it.